What is going on? You know this is Altone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. Look at it, look at it, look at it. There it is, DJI Mini 2. Yes, first drone. Well, take that back. Not my first drone. My first drone was this guy. S8 pocket drone. It's like a 720, and the connection is terrible. The best thing that this thing will do for you, of course at the price, what do you expect? But the best thing that this thing will do for you is actually allow you to be able to practice flying, because you can't get any video from it to your cell phone. I'm telling you now. But now, got a real drone, and it's not too large. I should be able to fly it around the lake, and I plan on taking it out hopefully this weekend when I go and do some fishing, try to get some aerial photos, and video. But let's get into this box really quickly here. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. And this is the Fly More bundle. And yes. Yep. So everything is already packed in the bag that it comes in, which is pretty cool. And to be honest, this is not a light little package. Carrying this around, it's not a light little package at all. I like the material. It's pretty cool. Now let's get into it. And this, of course, is the Mini 2. I waited. Like, the Mini 2 just came out. You know what? Cool. This will work for what I need it for. If I need to upgrade at some point, I'll do what's necessary to do that. So in the top is your propellers. So got your propellers. This is a little screwdriver to put your propellers on, and then some additional little thumb controller knobs for your remote. So that's what's in that little package, that little spot up there. I'm waiting to take the drone out. There's your controller. I'll take that out of the plastic here in just a second. Box of accessories. I imagine this is manuals and whatnot. I probably need to take a good look at those. And last but not least, the drone. That is the drone itself. And like I said, it does come with it has the little cover on the bottom, and it's got the gimbal cover, the camera cover on it, which is pretty cool. But that's it. That's pretty much the whole thing as it comes in the case. So let's take a look. So we know we got our propellers here. It does have propellers on it, so I don't have to worry about putting any more on. It is pretty much ready to go. And and some little tape. This is holding those propellers down. And then some other stickers here to take off. And we'll take a look at those later. And then here is the remote. This nice little plastic. I like these, but I don't like them. These little plastic cases that they put them in, because I often like to keep my stuff. This remote is pretty heavy. I often like to keep everything into the plastic if I'm not using it. So it does have a USB-C at the bottom, and of course it has the connector in here as expected for my iPhone. And I'll be charging everything up and making sure it is ready to go. So hopefully this weekend I will get an opportunity to take it out and take it on its first flight. And I'll try to record that as well. So picture, record. Yeah. So let's see what's in this box here. And I pretty much know what comes in the kit, but I just wanted to check to see. Batteries, extra cables, which I won't be needing, at least not for now. I don't think I'll need them. I can use that to charge up the charge up the controller and charge the batteries up. So yeah, I will be needing these. And thankfully, go ahead and take these out. And there's my batteries. And I'll make sure that they are charged up. I'll probably charge them up tonight. And it's been raining the last couple of days, so I haven't been too concerned about when I receive this, but I've got it now. So it's supposed to stop raining. It's going to be awesome. So we're going to go ahead and take this bad boy out, just fold it out. Remove the gimbal protector before taking off, so you don't want to take off with the gimbal protector on it. I guess it restricts the movement. I'm not sure if this one's going to need any type of ND filters or anything, but we'll see. Pop that off of here. And I just want to fold it out. And then it's got this one back here that you're going to take off that's actually covering up the battery that's in it. So now, yeah, we're going to go ahead and, so this goes out first. And these arms come out pretty easily. And then this one, there you go. So now it is ready to go. Like I said, I just need to plug it in. Ultralight, 249 grams. And this is my iPhone 11 Max, and this is the drone. So one of the things I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and activate the battery and make sure all my batteries are charged up, and then we'll take her for a flight soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, I look forward to sharing with you what I plan on doing in the future. So hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.